Okay, now we're going to be creating our label. So let's create a label. And all we're going to do is just create a whole bunch of labels using different properties just to show you different ways of using them. The first one is just a label. So will be just a label on the left side. And then we'll do one in the middle that has like a drop shadow. And then we'll do one on the right side of the page. And that should be it. So let's create our page with title labels. If you'll remember that we don't actually have to set the title here because we set it in the app.js. Set a background as well. So next, let's add our left label. So what we're going to do is add a label that is on the left side of the page. So the text will be called left label, and then we're going to put the left value at 10. And then what we're going to do is use a text align, which is ti.ui.text_alignment_left. And then we'll put the text color as black. So that's going to align the text on the left. Now we're going to do one that's an offset. This is the most difficult label that you're going to do, and it's still not even that hard. So for the offset label, we'll just have a text of offset. And then what we're going to do is put a shadow color of light gray. And then we'll use a background color. So this is going to be the background of the whole label view as yellow. And we're going to do a text align center. So it's ti.ui.text_alignment_center. And then we're just going to change the font on this one to be a little bigger just so you can see it a little better. And then we are going to put a shadow radius of 5. And here's the hard part. We do a shadow offset. So this is going to offset the label on an X and a Y value. So we're going to go X2, Y2. So that's over 2 and down 2. And that's where the shadow is going to show up. Then just add that label to the window. And now we'll do a right side label. And in this one, we'll make it have a bold font. So just to show you how to do it, you do text right label, and then we'll do right on the right side of the screen by 10 dp. Then we're going to text align it on the right. So you can guess it's ti.ui.text_alignment_right. And the font color will be black. And now here's where it gets a little different. We'll do the font object, but it's going to be font weight equals bold, font size equals 10, and font style equals italic. So those are the 3 properties you're going to use for the font object. And then we just add that label to the window as well. And we return ourself and export the module of label. Now let's go ahead and try it. Save it in TI shadow. Here's our label. And so we have our left label and our offset, and let's see if I can make this a little bigger so you can see it a little bit. You can barely see this gray that makes it so it's giving it a drop shadow. That's the look we were going for. Yeah, it doesn't stand out too much, but if you can see it on my screen, then I'll try to export this in high def so you can see it. So, and then there's the right label. So, cool. All right, and that's it for the label.